So today I'm not gonna be with Michelle today, so I'll be working on my car myself. But it's also New Year's, so happy New Year's to all the Asian people. And on my steering wheel here, we're about to go, and I am gonna show you guys how to rethread your lugs, because mine is like not threading in. Like I can't screw it in because it pops out every time, so I have to rethread it. I bought dye. It was 12 by 1.5 or something like that. But also I am gonna got new lugs too. Gotta rethread it and change the cabin filter. And yeah, that's it. Got the camera here. Let's record it all. Show you guys in perfect HD. If you guys don't know, I usually record on my girlfriend's iPhone 11, yeah, which has wide angle, which I don't have wide angle because I got the 10-year whack. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Problem every single day. He screams a lot. Oh shit, car. Grandma's like, what the hell? Look at it. Oh my god. She's like, why the hell is that car scraping?
Was it police?
Guys, look at my gas right now. I'm about to hit the gas station. It's so close.
You got the bumper yet, huh?
Yeah, it broke. Yeah, it broke off on me.
The bumper broke?
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Radar's kind of going crazy right now. It detects someone cute. Me. I'm just kidding. Who are you? Alright, day two because I'll show you this recording. Day two because yesterday I didn't have time to work on my car for years, and also I didn't have a jack, so yeah. So I'm about to work on my car today. We're about to make molding for making a heat shield for my intake. So I'm gonna change my intake, so I'll show you guys, and also changing my filter. Alright, what's up guys? So here's my engine bay. It's a little ugly right now. It's really dirty. And here's my intake. Sorry if it's like really ugly. It's not supposed to be like that. It was a cold air intake that wrapped literally around the whole thing and under, but in Washington it rains really hard, and cold air intake that is literally right sitting in front is a no-go. But I am gonna buy
Let's talk about your headstand.
It's whatever. And I'm also gonna relocate my battery soon, so yeah. I'm gonna buy more piping and I'm gonna make this go here. But for now, I'm gonna try and make a heat shield. This is only a rough model, so if it doesn't look good, I'm sorry, but this isn't like the actual model yet. I'll make it look a lot better. So you see what I'm doing? I'm cutting this out for the radiator, and here, cutting out 2 slots. Actually, I have to cut it. Oh yeah, 2 slots. For the radiator, doesn't hit the radiator. I should probably put it a little bit further out. According to my calculations here, here is about 2 inch. Now, if I cut this, okay. Now let's test this out. Wait, I did that wrong. It's supposed to. I'm supposed to cut this. Alright, we are back. I made another model. And this isn't a straight saw. Now we should have exactly what we want. So this goes here. Wait, this goes here. This goes right here. Now it's a little off, but it's better than nothing. So I have my most S2Ks placed here because of the hole right there that leads straight to the wheel well, and that's where a lot of the cold air will get sucked in. Basically like the OEM box, but this is not OEM. This is homemade. All right, guys.
Wait. Okay, now go.
What's up, guys? All right, so I have moved my skateboard to my intake manifold there, so hopefully nothing bad happens, because I gotta get to the air filter, which is right under this here, and I don't have I don't have the pin removers, so I'm gonna have to. So I am using a flathead now with this big ass fucking adapter right here. I don't know if it comes with that. Alright, so once you get that pin out, this is what it looks like. Actually, this is not the original pin, I put it in. Come here. Show them. This is where the filter is.
Oh, there's leaves in it.
Yeah, and you see how dirty the filter is?
Is that what we're changing?
Yeah, this is what we're changing.
Oh, nice.
This is why you need to change the filter. Oh my god.
Sorry, guys. I'm cold. That's why I keep sniffling.
So make sure to pick up all your trash. So, alright, guys. So once you get the 3 clips out.
4.
4? 3?
4?
3. 1, 2, 3. So this clip holds in this side, that side, and that side.
Oh.
So take that out. This, throw it away. Really bad. You grab your new filter. This. Oh my god. Okay. Just press it down. Don't want to. Okay. Yeah. Clip. I already clipped in. And clips in that side, and that's basically it. Now you just want to insert it. It's a little loose, but it should be fine. Then press the pin in. There we go. That wasn't even in the hole. Prime, and then press the pin in. There we go. So I just got this new impact. It's by the wall, and it delivers 330, which is very much needed. I do still want the Milwaukee M12, the stubby, because it's pretty freaking small, and I mean, I'm not saying I'd rather have that, but it's cool to have, or the ratchet. But let me show you how easily it takes off these lugs. I think these are at 90 or 80 foot-pound torque. I don't remember. So yeah.
Torque?
Torque it. Now that took it out pretty freaking easily. Put it back now. Alright. And I need to clean the wheels. But yeah. So that's basically it for today's video. Sorry I didn't record yesterday because I didn't have the jack and I couldn't really do anything with this, so hopefully that's tomorrow if it's sunny. Right now it's sunny. But yeah, see y'all next time. Look at my new spoiler.